Hey there everyone, how's it going? What I've got here is a 1997 BMW 328i convertible. Let's take a peek at it today. Ever since I was a kid, the E36 had been my favorite BMW body style. And to this day, I still just love it. As I said, this one's been modified. It's got a different exhaust on it. So you can hear a little bit of the enhancement. Oh yeah, and it's got a chip and a cold air induction on it too. Adds a little bit of horsepower, not a ton, but it is noticeable for sure. It's got great stance too. Okay, so this car is a little rough around the edges. The interior, in fact, is crap because E36s were just not very good interiors. They deteriorated, the leather just looks old, but everything on it is still pretty tight. Okay, a few shakes and rattles here and there. It's not really what this car is about anyway. Oh yeah, it's that. Thanks for watching.